Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you this delicious and healthy Malabar spinach curry. So add coconut oil 2 tablespoons, then add mustard seeds, followed by urad dal. Wait till it splutters. Add a teaspoon of jeera. Then you can add 2 to 3 dry red chilies and a sprig of curry leaves and 2 pinches of hing. And fry them till it turns golden brown on low flame. Add a pinch of haldi and continue to fry. Now you can add chopped Malabar spinach. It is very good for health. It is very high in vitamin A, iron and so many macronutrients. Add a teaspoon of salt and close the lid and add a little water so that it doesn't burn and keep it aside. Then in a different kadai, take oil again. Add urad dal. You can add a teaspoon of coriander seeds, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, also sesame seeds. Then 3 to 4 green chilies based on how you like your spice. Now add a cup of grated coconut, maybe half a cup of grated coconut, and fry it for few seconds and switch off the flame, and then add a half cup of curd and grind it into a paste. Now in the separate bowl where spinach was boiling, you can add this mixture and combine them and let it simmer on low flame. Adjust the salt as per your taste and let it simmer on low flame. Make sure you don't increase the flame. This is a very healthy recipe and you must try. For more such recipes, do subscribe to this channel and you can also follow us on Instagram. See you soon.